The way people are mowing is rapidly changing, becoming more efficient and profitable. I truly believe this spring we'll see the greatest change. 20 years ago, the concept of a stand-on mower was created. Early adopters saw that it was better. Easier to use, nimble, versatile, better control. It allowed them to cut more properties in the same amount of time. Over the past few years, more and more people have adopted stand-on mowers. Now it's almost universally accepted as the best way to get the job done. This year is the tipping point. Meanwhile, we've put a tremendous amount of care into our latest mower. We've built an ambitious process, an entire factory, around specifically building the highest quality standards and the best parts available. The new generation Stander X is a collection of innovation. Every detail is refined to serve you. If any part is not needed, it's not there. It's made to last. It's made to be repairable. It's made to do your work. Concentration of the original. Let me introduce to you how this machine was crafted. The foundation of the mower is a simple closed path frame and footwell which keeps things simple, light, and easy to service. The footwell is now 3 inches wider, allowing you to enjoy more controlled stance. The platform has more travel with progressive suspension that works well with a variety of weights. The pad is wider. We like to keep the pad flat, allowing you to easily move around. We don't weaken the material or let water in by stitching it. The controls have a mechanical interlock that prevents your crew from driving with the brake on. And since it's mechanical, the electrical system is simple. The control levers are on ball bearing pivots, and the linkages have large chrome ends and a hinging push-pull system that gives you smooth and tight controls for years to come. The deck lift is redesigned to a push-button mechanism. This makes it easy to select any height from 1.5 to 5.5 inches quickly with very little effort. We've always focused on having a simple electrical system with only one relay. We know electrical problems can be mystifying, so we used high-end sealed connectors, and in some cases, redundant electrical paths. The relay, fuse, and diode are mounted in a sealed box. The engine has its own harness that allows the engine to be removed without fussing with wires. Remove the charge wire to go directly from the regulator to the battery cable, so there is really nothing to go wrong. The new tank is 8 usable gallons, and because we used a 3-layer tank, it's tough, cleanly bolted down, and we use a fully threaded neck with molded gasket seal and funnel. The Hydra System has a few tweaks. We routed the hoses over the top and clamped them against the frame to reduce strain. The filter is mounted to the tank, so you can drain the tank from the filter versus removing a hose. We also went with the bubble type oil sight to make daily checks quick and easy. It has 12cc pumps with cooling fans and 15 cubic inch motors. This system provides a low operating pressure with plenty of cooling when paired with the 20-inch tire. We chose to use a 20x10 tire on a small 8-inch wheel. This gives us a soft ride, and this specific tire has a very wide profile, providing great traction. It makes tighter turns so you don't miss grass around trees and posts, and keeps the axles near the deck so it's not front-headed. Changing the belt on all stand-on mowers can be tight because they're very compact machines. Here we made it as easy as possible, and we use a super premium belt to extend the time between changes. One trick is to mount the clutch pulley down. That way the clutch anchor is out of the way of the belt. Because the engine floats with the deck, we have no issues cutting from 1.5 to 5.5 inches. No matter the cut height, the belt runs straight. Like many of our other models, we eliminated as many daily or weekly service points as possible. The only in-season maintenance this mower needs is blades and engine service. Looking at the front end, we did a few things to make the machine fit for really hard use. We put a large guard on the front to protect the engine, and we made the caster housings thicker and cut a specially shaped groove to protect the caster caps. We also used round head bolts to protect fences and walls from getting snagged and scratched. The flat free wheels have heavy duty ball bearings with tight seals and guards to protect them from twine or trash from getting the bearings. Take a look at our machine and compare it to other mowers in the market. We're confident that you'll see that it's made with care, with excellence, and with great prices. If you're ever in Maryland, I offer to you a personal invitation to stop on by for a factory tour. Go to our website and look at our dealer map to find the nearest dealer near you so you can see one of these in person. You can also go to our online store where you can see the photos and prices for each individual model. I hope you have a great season, and thank you for your time.